Maintaining a website is not necessarily easy because a lot of times our website breaks. It could be that the entire website is down, or it could be just a particular feature that is broken, or certain things aren't loading properly as it should be. Hey, what up, decisive marketers? Today I'm going to be talking about the solution that will help you to monitor any problems that your website and faces, and it will inform you and record all these issues, right? So this tool is called Bug Monitor, and what it does, it helps you to monitor any network errors, SEO problems, UI UX issue, JavaScript issue, any WordPress bugs that you face, any other functional errors, or maybe even just on slow loading time, like your web vitals aren't the best as it should be, right? So this is a WordPress plugin that is very easy to use. You install it and it will monitor ongoingly all these problems for you, and when things breaks, it will even take a screenshot of it, right? So before I dive into Bug Monitor, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content, right? So here we go. So here we are in Bug Monitor. This is actually the plugin, right? So when I installed this, I thought, okay, maybe there's some things that I should be doing with this plugin, and then I realized that you don't have to do anything because it's a monitoring plugin, right? Um, so there isn't anything right here like functional issues, blah blah blah. So because I just installed this plugin, of course there isn't any issue that is being recorded, right? And this will tell you like what kind of issues do you want it to record and report to you, like functional issues, maybe certain buttons or links aren't working when users click on them. It's going to inform you about that. Or when certain forms are being submitted, it's not working, it's going to inform you. Broken links, it's going to tell you about that as well. JavaScript, right? JavaScript errors, maybe JavaScript's unloading properly, is going to inform you. HTTP errors, mixed content, okay. CSP errors, okay. SEO problems like titles, meta descriptions, image issues, UI problems, like maybe the text color contrast isn't there, the clickable elements too close to each other, layout issues, UX issues like slow response, bounce rate, uh, unresponsive elements, web vital issues like your LCP, FCP, and CLS, right? So your cumulative layout shift, first contentful pane, and largest contentful pane. Okay, so next you have like WordPress errors like PHP errors. It's going to inform you about that, and any broken plugins. Okay, so if you have a broken plugin, it's going to automatically deactivate this for you. So this is actually very amazing, because if you are, say, using a if you're not working with a WordPress agency, probably, and what happens is that when you activate certain broken plugins and it causes a fatal error on your site, you can't access it anymore. The entire site doesn't load, right? So you actually have to go into your FTP, look for and disable the broken plugin if you know which it is, or deactivate all the plugins and activate them one by one to find the broken plugin, right? So with the Bug Monitor feature, it automatically deactivates the broken plugin for you, so you don't have to go through all of that, which you may not be technically trained to do so. then just using bug monitor will solve the problem for you, right? Next is notification. How do you want to be notified? You can be notified via email, and which email do you want to set it to? And then do you want to clear all the logs? You can do so over here. And if you want to show the toolbar, you can activate toolbar, the bug monitor icon into the toolbar of WordPress, right, of the admin bar, and whether you have it connected to the bug monitor API. Okay, so that's literally what this tool does, and of course I don't have any issues right now. Okay, but let me just kind of go through what their site says. Of course, if you have issues on your website, this you may not know about it, and that's a problem because your users, your website visitors are facing the problem, and it's not, you don't know about it, right? And that's a huge issue, right? So this monitors all these errors over here. Okay, and if you're worried about updating plugins as well, you don't have to worry, because bug monitor automatically notifies you which plugin is giving you the problem, and you can even automatically deactivate the broken plugin as well. So a lot of issues are being detected over here, and when issues are detected, they will report every error by taking screenshots, video footage as well. Everything is all in there, right? And it solves all the problem for you. And overall, what I think is that if you are not really good with WordPress, but you're using WordPress, you feel that this is the kind of platform that you want to use, because it's easy. There's a lot of customization. Even myself, right? I love using WordPress because of these benefits, right? But using WordPress does come with its own set of issue, and using bug monitor is going to help you a lot even if you are a trained WordPress user, right? I mean, it's going to help you to save a lot of time by doing so, right? So I definitely would recommend this as a WordPress user or agency. It helps you to save time when dealing with troublesome clients, right? They have a lot of functions on their website, and you're afraid that it might break. And if it breaks, then at least you know how to fix it very quickly, and it saves you a lot of time doing so, right? So and that's, I guess, all I have to share about bug monitor. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about bug monitor in the comments below. Lastly, if you know anyone who can benefit from bug monitor, be sure to share this video with them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.